Welcome to Mom, How Do I? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a doctor or a dentist appointment. The best way to make a doctor's or dentist appointment is to call in.
You will also need to know what insurance you have before you call. Once you know what insurance you have, pull up the internet and type in doctor's or dentist office near wherever you live. For the sake of the video, we're going to use Mesa, Arizona. If you do not have any insurance, you will want to call around to different doctors or dentist offices. Ask them how much it would cost for you to be seen without insurance. Then make your decision on where to go from there.
I know some people get nervous when you're calling somebody, so it might be best if you have a pre-written document to help you when you call.
Call the first one on the list and go back to your document so you are ready for someone to answer.
Try not to be too nervous. These people talk on the phone all day, every day, and so they won't think anything of it if you make a mistake.
Say, "Hi, my name is blank, and I am wondering if your office takes blank insurance." If the answer is no, okay, that's okay. Do you know of any doctor's offices in the area that do take blank insurance? If the answer is yes, okay, great. I am wondering if I can make an appointment because give them a general overview. For example, if you're going to the dentist, you might say something like this: "My tooth is hurting," or "I need a cleaning." If you're going to the doctor's office, you might say, "I am experiencing a lot of pain in my side," or "I hit my arm the other day and it's starting to swell." Remember, you don't need to go into too much detail here, just a brief overview. They will probably ask you for your name and date of birth, and they will tell you when an appointment is available. You just write down the date and time and show up. Make sure you bring your insurance card with you to the appointment.
There you go. You can now make your own doctor's and dentist appointments. It's really easy.
Mom?